You've talked about right now when you were saying about, there are people who you're focusing content on when it comes to retention, right? Further down the funnel. You might be or the buyer journey. You might be focusing on generating leads. You might be focusing on somewhere in the middle of activating and converting those into customers. How do you decide at what point on what to concentrate? Because sometimes, a lot of people say, you got to look at your buyer's journey and you're going to produce content for that. And that's exactly what you were saying, that you go ahead and produce content for retention, right? It can be very overwhelming to look at the whole buyer's journey and start producing content for all that. How do you prioritize where to start focusing at different points of time?
It's a difficult question to answer. It depends on every business. We started with social proof. So we started at the farthest end of our funnel, which is validation. So we use case studies, we use testimonials, because ultimately if someone's at the end of that buying decision or on the fence, they see a case study, they look for someone who is being successful, that's their competitor, and how they're being successful via active pipe, and then it almost pushes them over the line. It can play on a number of different roles. It's really what you're trying to achieve. Are you trying to create brand awareness? Are you trying to drive leads down your pipeline? Are you trying to convert? It depends on every different business. So it's a tricky one to answer, but
Gotcha.
you really need to look at your numbers as well. Are you converting? What's your conversion rate across your different stages in your pipeline as well? And that's those little pockets of opportunity where really you need to invest your time and energy.
Gotcha. Okay. All right.